Mrs. Lata Ramaswamy is sharing knowledge of types of millets, how to use, the right way to use. So this video is going to open your world for millets. You are going to learn a lot. She processes millets in the right way, and I tell you, after this video I buy millet from her. I use them, and for my personal use I can tell you millets help you a lot. They give you lots and lots of energy. They keep you in shape. If you will use millets, you are not going to overeat. You are going to have good energy, good muscle, and overall good health. So let's learn from Ms. Lata Ramaswamy all about millets.
Right now, what I'm having is, there is a Kodo husk. Kodo is one of the millet. 5 positive millets. They are named as foxtail, little, Kodo, barnyard, and brown top.
These we have millets, 2 types of.
Yeah.
One are positive,
The other is neutral. Yeah.
So the famous ones, those are neutral ones, that we all know.
Everybody knows.
Yeah, and positive ones.
Yeah.
Those we many of us we don't know about them.
Yes.
So why they are called positive? Why?
Yeah, exactly. See, this is a very important message. The word positive itself means that yes, there is something good about it, right? But the reason is some other reason, like fiber and carbohydrate. All millets have carbohydrate also. Okay, so the ratio of fiber to carbohydrate. If it is more than 5, they are positive millets.
Okay.
And if the ratio is less than 5, 1 to 5, okay, actually all over ragi, bajar, jawar, makka, and another is called proso. These are the neutral ones. So these are having less than actually 4. Okay, that's why they are called neutral. Okay, but they are still very good. They are very good, especially for people who are not having any problem. They are the millets to go to. Okay, and these, the positive millets, the ratio gives you 7.8 to 12.8.
So
the highest is the brown top.
okay, so it's one should be fiber.
Yes, fiber to carbohydrate ratio. Yeah.
So one should be fiber and 7.8. It should be carbs.
Yes, fiber is also, we are having a lot of fiber in these positive millet. So therefore, you are getting it in that. Okay. Otherwise, in the neutral millet, the fiber is less.
Yes.
Fiber is less.
Okay. So the release will be very slow.
Yeah.
So the insulin spike will be not so high.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. That's actually that's where all the diabetic they are told to eat
more
fiber and vegetables in their food, because the release will be slow and insulin sensitivity will be better. So now let's show to people how those millets look.
Yeah.
And you can give us some information also about the millets.
Yes.
About what we have taught you.
Yes, certainly. These are the grains, the millet grains, positive millet. You can see here, foxtail, little, kodo, barnyard, brown top. See, these are all soaked for 8 hours and 3 days dried.
Okay.
Okay, then
Yeah, soaked and dried.
Soaked and dried. These are all soaked and dried. Okay.
They look like this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, many times people buy, but they are all white, absolutely white, because they are polished ones. These are unpolished. Unpolished is what is beneficial.
Yes, because then only they will have the fiber.
Yes, not just fiber. The outer layer is called a lignan. Now, lignan is, it is something like it makes a fortress inside your body. Okay, inside your system. So it will not allow any virus to attack you. Now, one this I see, out of all this during COVID and all over my old flow, the whole thing, everybody was having. Yeah. But me and my husband, we never contacted him. Yeah. Not that we were sitting in the house. We were moving all around, talking to people about it and all. But we never had.
Well, that's great.
So when I asked my doctor that why is it like that? She said that it is not that it has not come. It is something that it has come, attacked you. I mean, you didn't give entry. See? So that is why it is called, when you have millet, you build up a fortress inside your, body. That's it. That's it. So these are all soaked and dried. And this one you can see, this is unsoaked. Okay, this is unsoaked. But I keep some unsoaked also, because when I make dosa, idli and all, I need for making batter, I soak them in the night and then in the morning I grind.
Okay, so this is the soaked one, and this is the
unsoaked. Unsoaked. Whenever I want, I do it.
Okay. They have any specific properties?
Absolutely, each one of them, like the foxtail. Foxtail, it is very good for our respiratory system. Okay, any kind of respiratory problem, foxtail millet. The go-to millet is foxtail. Okay, and little millet is good for all the, you can say, the stomach problem.
Okay, GI.
Correct. And men, women, everyone, and especially the ladies' problem like PCOD, PCOS, all that, the little millet is the best. If then the protocol also changes, then it is little millet 3 days, the rest one day.
Okay.
So like that. So that way little millet is very good. Even for men also, if they have any problem, mental problem and all, this is the best. Little millet. Then comes podo. Podo personally is my favorite, because you see this cleans your blood. Even within your where the blood is formed,
In the
bone marrow. Exactly. It cleans bone marrow also. I don't know if any medicine is there which cleans, but podo can clean.
So it's very good for skin.
Yes. Yes. Any this anti-immune autoimmune system, for that podo is so good. So good. Okay, all, as you said, skin disease, hair fall, all that, podo is the solution. Okay, then comes the barnyard. Barnyard, we have been eating this. This is known as samakka chawal. Vrat we eat. That is it. But you remember that is white in color. Look at this.
Yeah, that's totally white.
Look at this. The barnyard should be like this only. But because, I think we have this tendency of white. It has not gone out of our system of 400 years of slavery. That white is the best. See?
Yeah. White means clean. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
Why? Such, dusky women are so beautiful to look.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So similarly, barnyard, it should be like this only, not white. This is the unpolished variety. We should have this only. And barnyard, what is the property of barnyard? See, all our soft parts, like kidney, the other parts, in your stomach. Yeah, all even this one, spleen, pancreas. Basically, pancreas I was coming to.
Okay.
So barnyard is very good, and it is the nearest to your white rice. Nearest, taste-wise also. When you make the barnyard millet rice, it tastes very tasty. It goes so well with your just plain dal. Yeah, or I make sometimes sambar and all. So it tastes very nice. Okay, and brown top is known as the king of millets. It has the property to clean from head to toe. And all the more in the, your stomach region, intestine, all that, it helps a lot. But wherever, is needed, brown top is the first one to reach.
I see.
So they go to your different parts of the body where it is needed most and take the fiber there and clean it.
It's so sad, like Indians, we are not following Ayurveda and our style, and Americans, they are not eating brown top. Otherwise,
They think this is for birds. It's for birds.
They wouldn't have so big problems of obesity.
Yeah, I have spoken to so many, people who I'm more close to people from Jharkhand and Bihar and all. They say about kodo. Kodo, they call it kodra. Kodra. And they say that anybody having any problem, kuch bhi ho gaya, they make the porridge out of kodo and give. And just next day they are back to the farm. Like that. It is so powerful, kodra.
I'm going to try that, that's for sure.
It's very good, very good. Okay, and this is the unpolished variety, but unsoaked. Okay, unpolished, unsoaked. This is what I use for batter, making batter.
Okay. And like you also you provide the soaked one also.
Yeah.
So you
This only I provide. I don't give this. This I keep little for myself, but the rest everybody I provide only the soaked and dried, because what happens is this will not give them any excuse for not making. People say, "Oh, I forgot to soak for 8 hours. How will I make? When will I make?" So this is really instant. Make it, and I never give them more than for 1 month.
That's good. That's very good.
And some people say, please give me 5 kgs, please give me 10. I say, why? To throw, I will not give it. Let somebody else take.
Yes.
Let somebody else take. You ask after 1 month also, I will immediately send you.
So this was the beautiful lady, Mrs. Lata Ramaswamy, and I hope you got to know many new things from this video. If you have any of the doubt, please write it down in the comments box down below. I will try to answer, or if I'll find something very interesting, I'll try to make a video on that. By the time, you should check the social handles of Mrs. Lata Ramaswamy, where she is sharing her experience, the recipes, and many interesting things. And if you are interested in millet, call on her number and you can order the millets. I hope you found this video useful. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.